Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some a preview pane missing or not working in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a file explorer, and after doing this step, first of all go to your view, go to your show, and after doing this step, go to your preview pane. Click on preview pane. Click on these three dots. After doing this step, go to your options. Click on a view. Scroll down and find out show preview handles. Now here is the show preview handles in preview pane. Click on it. Click on apply and OK button. After that, close it. The second method is set in the search box, type a CMD and open a command prompt. Right click run as administrator. After opening the command, type a command is sfc space /scan now and press enter. It's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a command is dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.